case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a riveting legal battle, the Land of Lincoln Legal Assistance Foundation has filed a lawsuit against various local welfare departments in Illinois, accusing them of non-adherence to due process for welfare eligibility and application procedures. The case represents an important struggle for those reliant on welfare and highlights the complex bureaucratic processes that often dictate their lives. The lawsuit was initiated on behalf of Henson, an East Lincoln Township resident, and all individuals across 65 counties in downstate Illinois who were denied due process in their welfare applications. The defendants included East Lincoln Township and scores of other local welfare departments throughout the aforementioned counties that do not receive state aid. The litigation aimed to ensure that the welfare departments uniformly followed due process, reflecting the principles outlined in a previous court verdict. To that end, the foundation sought certification of the defendant class under Rule 23, B2, pointing out the issues associated with the welfare system's application and eligibility processes. However, in a critical ruling, a district judge denied the plaintiff's motion to certify the defendant class under Rule 23, B2, and deemed an immediate appeal necessary. This decision and the inherent permissibility of the defendant class in a Rule 23, B2 class action lawsuit was at the heart of the appeals process. The appeals court then affirmed the district judge's decision to not certify a defendant class. It claimed that defendant class actions raised issues of manageability and due process. The court pointed out that double class actions could still be carried out under Rule 23, B3, even though the language of Rule 23 did not explicitly authorize defendant classes. The court also dismissed the foundation's argument that the plaintiff class would likely shrink over time to only welfare applicants in East Lincoln Township. Deeming the B2 defendant class actions as unviable, the court stated that suitable solutions to any notice and management problems posed by such actions should come from the Advisory Committee on the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, rather than through ad hoc decisions by federal district judges. Split the text above into sentences. Identify the most important physical item or profession in the sentence. If there is no physical item or profession, then use a physical good or profession from a different sentence. Suggest a physical good or profession that could represent justice or the court. Avoid suggesting anything sexual, text, logos, signs, documents, words, symbols, hands, feet, or anything abstract. Don't repeat images across sentences. Describe the image in 5, 8 words. Format your response in JSON.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.